Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into an iconic rebirth of the 2025 Porsche 356. We explore exterior, interior, under to the hood, safety features, performance, what's new in this model and price, all about in detail. Watch to end. If you are new in this channel, let's first subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes. The original Porsche 356 was the company's first production car, introduced in 1948. It laid the foundation for Porsche's legacy in motorsports and luxury sports cars. Now, in 2025, Porsche has resurrected this legend with a completely new approach while preserving its timeless essence. Starting with the exterior design, Porsche has stayed true to the 356's classic look, keeping the smooth curves and compact dimensions that made the original so beloved. The round headlights and low-slung body give it an unmistakable retro appeal. However, modern enhancements such as LED lighting, active aerodynamics, and lightweight materials ensure that this version is both stylish and highly functional. The car's body is crafted from a mix of aluminium and carbon fiber, reducing weight while maintaining structural strength. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned for better efficiency, helping it glide effortlessly on the road. Now, let's pop the hood, or in this case, take a look under the rear. Since the original 356 was a rear-engine sports car, the 2025 Porsche 356 is fully electric. That's right, a Porsche has embraced the future, equipping this classic revival with an advanced electric powertrain. It features a high-performance battery pack and an electric motor that delivers over 400 horsepower. This allows the new 356 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. The instant torque from the electric motor provides a thrilling driving experience, keeping Porsche's reputation for performance intact. Despite being an electric car, Porsche has worked hard to keep the driving experience as engaging as possible. A special artificial engine sound system mimics the throaty growl of the original flat-4 engine, adding an emotional connection for enthusiasts who love the classic feel of a combustion engine. Inside, the interior design is a perfect blend of retro and modern elements. The dashboard retains a vintage look, with analog-style digital gauges inspired by the classic 356. A high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system provides access to Porsche's latest software, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. The seats are crafted from premium leather, with customizable stitching options that allow buyers to personalize their cars. The cabin is also equipped with ambient lighting, wireless charging, and a premium surround sound system, making every drive comfortable and entertaining. One of the most impressive aspects of the new 356 is its chassis and suspension setup. Porsche engineers have fine-tuned the suspension to provide the perfect balance of comfort and performance. Adaptive dampers allow the car to adjust its stiffness based on driving conditions, ensuring both a smooth city ride and razor-sharp handling on twisty roads. The lightweight chassis contributes to excellent agility, making the 356 a joy to drive. Safety is also a top priority in this modern iteration. The 2025 Porsche 356 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make it a practical choice for daily driving while ensuring top-notch safety. Of course, no review would be complete without discussing the driving range and charging capabilities. The new 356 features a high-capacity battery pack capable of delivering a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. Thanks to Porsche's fast charging technology, the car can be charged from 10% to 80% in just 25 minutes, making it convenient for long-distance travel. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Porsche 356 is expected to start at around $150,000, used 160,000, with higher trims and customization options pushing the price even further. While this may seem steep, it reflects the car's exclusivity, performance, and advanced technology. Porsche is also offering a limited production run, making this a collector's dream. So, is the 2025 Porsche 356 worth it? Absolutely. It captures the soul of the original while embracing the future with modern innovations. For Porsche enthusiasts and collectors, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of automotive history reimagined for the electric era. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Porsche 356. What are your thoughts on this modern classic? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest automotive news and reviews. See you in the next one.